ठीक है ना, वी हैड पुट इन सर्टेन कंडीशंस कि वे हमको जो है इस चीज़ को पहले कर लेना चाहिए।
Yes.
नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ इज कि जो भी कहा गया था हम लोग को वो चीज़ हुआ नहीं, एंड आई वुड नॉट बी डिस्कसिंग दीज थिंग डायरेक्टली। सी ही इज अराउंड फॉर यू टू डिस्कस व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डिस्कस, बट जो हमसे हो रहा है वी हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू एकोमोडेट टू द बेस्ट पॉसिबल। नाउ इफ this is the end time, and if your commitments are not forthcoming,
Yes, sir.
see, we don't distinguish between you
I understand.
and क्या नाम है उसका,
पवन, yeah.
ठीक है। so भाई पवन ही आपको लेके आया।
Yes, yes,
आप
definitely.
वो हो रहा है and
Yes,
जैन को लेके
I
आया,
understand,
ठीक
sir.
है ना। so you got a very
Yes, sir.
flat reply, you also told them कि भाई हमको आपसे कोई मतलब नहीं है,
Who?
ठीक है। नहीं वो जिसको भी आप पहले जिसके साथ आए
होरा
No, no, I didn't say
नहीं
Yeah.
they all know me।
Yes, sir.
from
I
the
didn't
report.
say anything.
नहीं आपने कुछ नहीं बोला, ये नहीं बोल रहा मैंने ये
nice
कहा
to
कि नहीं ऐसी उस समय कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, but when you started approaching,
Yes.
you wanted small things, we all accommodate।
Yes, sir, I understand.
but now my problem is
I
that
understand.
whatever commitments from your
Yes.
side needed to
Yes,
come,
sir.
ठीक है भाई आप पवन जो भी बात करना है
I
कर,
understand.
ठीक है ना। see Pawan is the one who brought them to you,
Yes, sir,
to
I
them,
understand.
ठीक है।
No, I respect.
Naturally,
No,
see,
I have a lot of respect for that.
Pratish,
sir.
the point
Yes.
now to need to be understood is that see everybody has a comfort,
I understand.
ठीक है ना। I have a comfort level with
Yes.
him, he has a comfort level with Pawan।
Yes.
I would say that you will have no issues, ठीक है।
Sir.
जो भी हमारा होगा,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। we have said very clearly
Yes.
कि भाई जो होगा तो आपको कुछ करना है।
Yes, sir.
You have committed certain amount, we said कि ठीक है how things develop,
Yes.
whatever happens देखेंगे।
I
आपने
understand.
बोला प्राइस हमारा बढ़ेगा,
Yes, sir.
हमने वो भी एकोमोडेट करा लिया
Yes, sir.
immediately।
I understand.
Now what do I believe, मतलब are you not interested or you are interested?
No, nothing.
Because see,
Yes, sir.
my route is very clear।
I understand.
See, I know him
Yes, sir.
for the last 20 years,
Yes.
ठीक है। I have faith in him,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना।
That's
He
it.
has faith in Pawan through Abhishek,
Yes, sir. I
ठीक है।
understand.
That's also very clear।
Yes.
He doesn't know you,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। He has absolutely zero
Yes.
faith, so these things work on faith
I
and
understand.
relationship।
I understand.
So the only option and alternative left to you is
Yes.
to get all things done,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। आप और पवन हम दोनों को एक मानते हैं। I don't know why you people think you are different। I don't understand that, ठीक है
Yes,
ना।
sir.
But
There is
ultimately,
nothing, yeah.
see that is the only road
Yes, sir.
available to you।
I understand, sir.
See,
So,
you know Pawan,
Yes,
Pawan
sir.
has faith on you,
I
so
understand.
आप दोनों के बीच में चीजें क्लियर होनी चाहिए।
Yes, sir.
पवन और इनके बीच में चीजें क्लियर
Yes, sir.
होनी
So,
चाहिए, and हमारे और इनके बीच में है,
100%.
ठीक है। So this is how it will run,
100%, sir.
ठीक है। Now it is up to you,
Yes, sir.
discuss with Pawan,
Yes, sir.
do your commitments before the last date।
Oh.
नहीं तो हमें कोई जल्दी नहीं है,
I understand.
हमारे पास 18 महीने का
I
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है,
understand.
ठीक है।
Yes.
TCS would be willing to
I
extend
know, I
that
know.
contract
I
for
know.
another 2 years।
Yes, sir. I understand.
ठीक है ना, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी, ठीक है
Yes,
ना।
I understand.
So everything will work out,
Yes.
but then if your commitments are not
Sir.
forthcoming,
Yes, sir. I understand.
ठीक है ना, we are not going to
I
finalize it
understand.
before the election, ठीक है ना। क्या नहीं अभी नहीं, ठीक है ना।
Sir, I just want to have a word with you, sir, regarding that. So, I mean, I like them. That's why I could believe them. That's why I traveled with them to meet you for all this while. So Pawanana deals with a lot of issues, and I was in the blind for a lot of time. Sorry about that. That was our mistake. I just want to have a word with you directly, because I wasn't, because from Anna Devesh Anna I was getting something else, but from Pawanana I was getting something else. So I couldn't, really match, because we are a small company, sir. And
I don't know, but
I
आप
understand.
देखो मेरा ये कहना है,
And we are fully committed to doing
नहीं, see,
whatever.
you-
But I just wanted that clarity.
आप ये
Yes, I
गारंटी
understand.
रखो, आपकी देखो, if you still feel
No, sir,
इन
I-
दोनों की जो बात हुई है,
Sir.
there is something needs to be corrected,
Sir.
you call all the parties together,
I
get it clarified।
But-
Yes.
What we are looking at primarily is only a clarity and a commitment and some show of that commitment before
Yes.
we close the deal,
Yes.
ठीक है।
So regarding that, I.
अब जो भी बात करनी है आप इनसे कर लो
Yes.
या पवन से कर लो, ठीक
Yes.
है। See, ultimately मैं आपसे सीधे नहीं बात करूँगा, ये आपसे सीधे नहीं बात
Yes, sir, I
करेगा,
understand.
ठीक है
I
ना।
understand.
Either you travel with Pawan,
I understand.
I believe he has only been trying to help you।
Sir, that's
ठीक है
enough. You don't say anything.
But-
That's enough for
but
me.
that-
Yeah, that's
And
enough.
बाकी जो पवन और ये मिलके अपना कुछ और थर्ड
I understand. Yes. No, no.
He has many interests.
Sir, I have a lot of.
पवन has many
Yes.
interests.
Yes.
खत्म करो
No,
बात, वो क्या
that's
है?
enough, sir. That
तो
was
अब
the
आप ये
only
final कर
yes.
दो.
That was the only confusion. Sorry, sir, for like.
But so and let me tell you very clearly, reputation.
I understand
क्या है
that,
कि
yes.
नहीं आप नहीं समझ रहे हो. See, the only reason why I called you
Sir,
here
sir.
is primarily because we are getting a feeling that there is something wrong in the commitment. And let me tell you very clearly, जितना मैं मदद कर सकता हूँ,
Sir.
More than that.
Sir.
उतनी चीजों को मैं 1 मिनट में खराब भी कर
I understand. I know, sir.
ठीक है. See, you should realize.
I'm very thankful for
नहीं,
helping
कि
you.
what these files are there.
Sir.
ठीक है. भाई एक अभी फाइल हमने पटकी, हमारे
Sir.
सेक्रेटरी ने कुछ लिखा.
Sir.
See, we are good at writing files.
I understand,
ठीक है.
sir.
But we also don't
Sir.
want to get delay works. We
I
want to get
understand.
work.
I understand,
अब आप
sir.
इनके साथ
Yes,
फाइनल
sir.
करो. Let him come back to
I
me and
understand.
tell कि
Sir, it will-
everything is on
yes.
track. Whatever commitments
Sir,
have
I
been made
understand.
are being fulfilled.
It'll be done, sir. Sorry, there was only a miscommunication between Pawan and me. That is our mistake. I'm actually sorry.
Now
for
go
that.
back to Pawan.
Yes, I'll go back.
अभी फोन पे
Yes.
बात करो, confirm it.
No, no,
to
I'll
him.
talk to like I'll
आज
figure
आप
it
इनको
out.
confirm. But he
Thank you.
should come back to me in the evening and tell me
Thank
कि
you.
sir, everything is good.
That's all is what I
But
wanted.
that's-
Sir. Sorry about the
And
miscommunication.
sir is available for you in future also for any technical clarity.
Yes.
Any technical clarity. I am again, sir. मतलब we will request. Sir is not saying no to me
Sir.
for technical clarity. Whether Patil sir is already
Thank you
there.
about that, sir. Thank you about that. There was some miscommunication.
He was like
between
just
Pawan.
telling me, Devesh ji,
I'm really sorry
in
about
future
it.
suppose you are not there and I go and meet sir, so sir should recognize कि तो मैंने कहा that what भैया sir knows you, you are Pixel White company.
Sir. Sorry about the miscommunication, sir.
No, no.
They're actually we are very committed, sir. That's why I've been coming so many times. Just that this miscommunication. So there
और
was
इसका ऐसा है, let me tell you. आप तेलंगाना में काम
yes, sir. And it is very new, sir.
नहीं,
Don't
नहीं.
see. Please
नहीं,
think
नहीं,
of me as a
नहीं,
child.
Sir,
now.
let us say that.
So what I'm telling you,
Sir.
देखो क्या है कि अगर हम लोग को न्यूसेंस करना होगा ना
Sir.
आप I'll tell KR.
I know, sir.
ठीक है
I
ना?
know, sir.
I'll tell him I only
know,
have to
sir.
pick up a phone call
Sir,
and tell
I
him.
know, sir.
ठीक है ना?
I will
वो आपको भी
never-
वहाँ तक
sir,
करने लगेगा.
sir, I know, sir. I will never
that's
go
not-
into that way,
नहीं,
sir.
नहीं, so that's not the whole point.
I'm very committed, sir, in a lot of things.
There are certain things
I
discussed.
understand.
Please go ahead and discuss.
I do that, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry for
नहीं, नहीं, कोई- चलो.